Top 5 apps like Sherem Realistic Bunny Toy Review that actually work today. If you're looking for a realistic bunny toy that feels lifelike and comforting, Sherem might have caught your attention. But you won't believe how many other brands are delivering soft, cuddly toys that children and collectors love with strong reviews to back them up. Number 1. Melissa and Duck Plush Bunny. Known for high-quality materials and long-lasting stitching, caregivers love that these toys stay fluffy even after years of hugs. Number 2. Jellicate Bashful Bunny. One of the most popular plush toys worldwide. Reviews often describe how these bunnies become a child's favourite snuggle buddy, thanks to their silky softness. Number 3. Aurora World Bunny Plush. With realistic poses and gentle textures, these toys are a hit among animal lovers. People say they look like a real pet sitting on a shelf. Number 4. Gond Peter Rabbit Collection. Classic charm meets premium plush craftsmanship. Perfect for Easter gifts or nursery decor, backed by decades of trusted quality. Number 5. Fau Schwartz Bunny Toy. If you want something elegant and premium, this one stands out. Reviewers highlight how lifelike the fur appears, making it a beautiful keepsake. These options offer what Sherem fans care about most: softness, realism, and emotional comfort. A good plush bunny can ease anxiety, spark imagination, and become a lifelong friend. So whether it's for a gift, a collection, or a soothing companion for bedtime, these top-rate bunny toys bring joy with every cuddle. Pick the one that feels right, and let the smiles begin.